How to fix your PayPal currency conversion problem. So let's get straight into the video. The first thing you want to do is identify the conversion problem. You want to check your transaction details and notice also unexpected charges. This usually happens due to PayPal currency conversion. You can also check your transaction currency. So go to activity and select the transaction and check the original currency conversion currency and the exchange rate used. You can also choose your preferred currency. So if you go to settings, general and preferred currency, you can set your preferred currency to avoid automatic conversions. And you can also pay with the seller's original currency. You can also disable dynamic currency conversion at checkout. Select pay in the seller's currency. You can also ensure that your bank or card allows international transaction, and that is about it. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.